Okay, so here we go. This is how you export. First, you got to make sure you click on the timeline. The timeline's highlighted in blue. See it right here? Then you know that you're ready that you can export this. So go to File, Export, Media. And then once you got the export settings window up, you need to make sure your format is H.264. You make sure your match source is high bitrate, and then you need to make sure you change your output name by clicking on output name. You could change it and put your name in, and then what the project is called. Okay. Make sure you also find your folder on the desktop that you want to save it into. Okay, it will default to some folder that it's very difficult to find, so make sure you save it in the correct folder. Okay, and click save, and then export, and then it'll take some time to export the video. Should not take long. Should not take more than the time it takes for your video to play. Okay, that's all I got.